Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I want to do one on the new Apple Watch Ultra and 5 of the best features of the watch. Number 1, night mode. Apple Watch Ultra includes a new night mode that tints the interface red to protect your night vision. Night mode is only available on Apple's new Wayfinder watch face, which is exclusive to the Apple Watch Ultra. To enter night mode, switch to the Wayfinder watch face and then simply turn the digital crown up. Night mode is unavailable on the other Apple Watch models. Number 2, action button. To configure the action button, go to Settings, Action button, then hit the menu under Action. You can now select an action that you want the button to launch, and also choose an app to perform the action. You can also choose an action that watchOS will perform when you first press the action button. Number 3, Siren. The Apple Watch Ultra has an integrated Siren. At 86 decibels, it gets very loud and can be heard up to 600 feet away. It outputs a signature sound with 2 alternating patterns, one indicative of distress and the other of an SOS pattern. You'll want to use it in situations when you might be injured, immobilized, to draw attention to your location. To use it, press and hold the side button until the sliders appear, and then drag the Siren slider. You can also press and hold the action button to start the countdown, and continue holding the button until the Siren app starts. Number 4 is Compass. Apple has totally revamped the Compass app, which now has 3 views, including a hybrid one that shows both an analog compass dial and a digital view at the same time. Turn the digital crown in the Compass app to switch between the views, or press the action button to drop a waypoint. The watch face watch sports a compass built into the dial, and the compass waypoint complication updates in real time with the direction of the waypoint and its approximate distance. The redesigned app is available on older Apple Watch models, updated to watchOS 9. Number 5. With a 2 times brighter OLED display than any Apple Watch displayed yet, its 2000 nits flashlight on the Apple Watch Ultra is more intense than before. Just open your control center, hit the flashlight icon, then if you want you can swipe left to switch between the steady white, flashing white light, or steady red. That's my video on 5 of the best features of in my opinion, 5 of the best features of the Apple Watch Ultra. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.